How to fix your Viber notification problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the ways on how you can fix your notifications problem on Viber. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So maybe you receive messages on Viber, but you do not get notified until and unless you don't go ahead and open the Viber app itself. There are a couple of reasons why this could happen. The very first thing is, let's say that you've not been receiving the individual notification. In that case, you might have simply actually muted the chat with that person. So in order to unmute it, simply open the chat screen and then tap on the three dots which you see on the top right, and then go to chat information. Once you go to chat information, you want to make sure that the toggle right next to mute chat is turned off. If it is turned on, it likely means that you have muted them and you will not be able to receive the notification until and unless you don't go within the Viber app. And this was the first way to fix for the individual notification problem. But let's say that you've not been receiving the Viber notifications as a whole. In that case, we have to simply check the notifications access on our settings. So we will go ahead and open the settings app. Once we open settings, you'll find this option which says notifications. So go ahead and tap on notifications, and over here you'll find the option which says more. So go ahead and tap on more, and you want to simply look for Viber. So you want to make sure that the toggle right next to Viber is turned on. If it is turned off, it likely means that the notification is also off. So making sure it is turned on, and you could tap on it. And the other thing also you want to make sure is to simply tap on notification categories. Once you tap on notification categories, you want to make sure to review all of these toggles. For example, if you have turned off this toggle right next to messages, you will not be able to receive the notifications for Viber messages. So you want to make sure that all of these categories are turned on and verified accordingly. Hopefully one of these would have fixed your issue. If this video helped solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.